Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to copy your username on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you're new to Telegram or you just haven't explored all the features yet, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get your username copied in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, take a look in the top left corner of the window. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on those three lines. A side menu will appear on the left side of your screen. From here, look for the option that says My Profile and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your personal details are displayed. Now on this profile page, you'll see your name, your profile picture, and just underneath, you'll see your Telegram username. Simply click on your username. As soon as you do this, a little window will pop up giving you the option to copy it. Select Copy, and just like that, your Telegram username is saved to your clipboard. From here, you can paste your username anywhere you need. It could be in a message, an email, or even on another app, if you want to share it quickly with friends, family, or colleagues. This simple trick is especially useful when you want to share your contact details without giving away your phone number. By copying your username, you make it easy for others to connect with you on Telegram, securely and instantly. And that's all it takes. Just a few quick steps. Open the app. Click the three lines at the top, go into My Profile, tap on your username, and copy it. Fast, simple, and extremely convenient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to try it out right now and share your username with anyone you'd like to connect with. It only takes a moment, and it keeps your Telegram experience smooth and hassle-free. Thanks for watching.